In this video, we'll use the Timewarp tool to scrub through the timeline by clicking and dragging the viewport while holding a hotkey. This speeds up your workflow and makes navigating through time a viewport action, just like orbiting and panning in space. Here's the test scene I've created to demo the Timewarp tool. Our little pyramid is walking down a spline motion path as it watches a twisting column. To fine-tune his walking spline, you need to go from viewport to timeline and back, adjusting the spline, then scrubbing through time to see your changes in motion. To speed up that workflow, try holding down the J key while clicking and dragging through your viewport. This is called the Timewarp tool, and by default, it's assigned to the J key. Invoking the Timewarp tool lets you scrub through the timeline in any viewport. I like to add the D hotkey and overwrite the extrude tool in order to be able to use the Timewarp tool without having to move my left hand from its normal position. You can do this by going to Window, Customize Commands, or hitting Shift F12. Then typing Timewarp in the name filter and adding D in the shortcut field. This makes scrubbing through time just as easy as navigating through space. Now I can orbit around my scene and scrub through time in any viewport. If you animate a lot, then this tool comes in really helpful by minimizing the hand and wrist movement needed to fine-tune your work. I hope this tip is helpful, and using the Timewarp tool makes animating more enjoyable for you.